Hi children, welcome back to our class. Yesterday we have completed our classwork. So today we are going to start our textbook work. Before we start our textbook work, I have to tell you something. What is that? Have you all posted your homework to your concerned class teacher? Yes, very good. You have to do it. And whatever this homework, are you all doing it? All you are writing small copy with neat and legible handwriting. You have to write neatly. Don't make your parent to write it. You have to write yourself and you have to improve your handwriting. Yes or no? Will you do it? Yes, you will do it. You are good children. I know that. So, first of all of you take your homework book and note down the homework. Today's homework. Small copywriting. Homework book. Write down date 23/9. Yesterday I have given you two hard words. One is Mumbai and one is mother. First I will give hard words related to our question answers. Later on we go for all hard words related to our lesson part. Brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. Next one office. O-F-F-I-C-E. Office. First one is brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. Second one is office. O-F-F-I-C-E. Office. This is your homework. That means you have to write in small copy. Now all of you open your textbook page number 3. All of you open the textbook page number 3. Reading. See here, this page number 3, heading reading. A bit, mark true, mark true, means tick, or false means cross mark. Page number 3, true or false. A bit, mark true, that means tick, or false means cross mark. See here, how many sentences are given? 5 sentences are given. These sentences are related to our lesson. These all sentences are related to our lesson. So, some may be right and some may be false. Some may be right and some may be wrong. Which is correct one we have to put tick mark, and which is wrong we have to put cross mark. That means false. First one, Rani studies in class 1. What is the answer? Is it right or wrong? In the lesson what we have learned? Rani studies in class 1 or 2? In class 1. Yes or no? Yes. So, it is right or wrong? Rani studies in class 1. This is right. With pencil you have to put tick mark in this box. Second one, Rani is 6 years old. Rani is 6 years old. In the lesson what we have learned about Rani? Rani studies in class 1. She lives in Mumbai and she is only 5 years old. But here it is given that Rani is 6 years old. Is it right? Right, no? No, it is not right. It is wrong. So, we have to put cross mark. which is exactly correct, we have to put right mark, and which is wrong, we have to put cross mark. Now third one, Rani's mother is a doctor. And coming to the Rani's mother, about Rani's mother, in lesson we have learned that Rani's mother, she works in an office and she likes to sing. Rani's mother works in an office. In question answer, in third question answer also we have learned about, third question is related about Rani's mother. Yes or no? But here see, look at here. Rani's mother is a doctor. Is it right? No, she works in an office and she likes to sing. This is wrong sentence. Rani's mother is a doctor. Is it right? No, she works in an office. Who is doctor? Rani's father is a doctor. We have learned in the lesson that Rani's father is a doctor. He works in a hospital. Rani's mother is a doctor. Is it right? No, it is not right. So what we have to do? We have to put right. We have to put tick mark. No, we have to put cross mark. Now fourth one. Rani likes to play with her brother. What we have learned in the lesson? Who is Raja? Raja is Rani's brother, and Rani likes to play with her brother. Yes or no? Yes. And Rani loves her brother very much. We have learned that Raja is Rani's brother and she likes to play with her brother. Now fourth one, look at here. Rani likes to play with her brother. Is it right? Yes, it is right. In the lesson we have learned same thing. Here also given the same thing. It is right. So we have to put tick mark. Fifth one. Spot is very naughty. Spot is very naughty. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y, naughty. Who is Spot? It is the name of dog. Whose dog? Rani's dog. How was the dog? It is very naughty. In the lesson we have learned that the Spot is very naughty. Here given the same sentence. Spot is very naughty. Is it right or wrong? Yes, it is right. Have you all understood, my dear children? Yes. See, Rani studies in class 1. It is right. It is true. Rani is 6 years old. It is wrong. It is false. So we have put cross mark. Third one, Rani's mother is a doctor. Rani's mother is a doctor. Is it right? No, it is not right. She works in an office and she likes to play. Fourth one, Rani likes to play with her brother. In the lesson we have learned, we have discussed the same thing. So it is right. And last one, Spot is very naughty. So this correct sentence is related to the lesson. So we have put right mark. And all of you please note down today's diary work. 23/9/2020. First column is Telugu, second one Hindi, and third is for English. Read and practice textbook page number 3 for one time. You have to read and practice and after that you have to post your concern class teacher. That's all for today, my dear children. Thank you.